Hello! In front of me I have Haylou RS4 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the Haylou Phone application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Let me reopen it, like this. In the application you should see the home screen. Now you can tap on Mine icon to open the profile page, then select your Haylou RS4 from the list of devices. Here scroll down, and at the bottom of the page you should see the Unbind button. Tap on it, then tap on Confirm. Now we can tap on Understood. The watch will disappear from the list of devices right here. Now we can close the app, open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, tap on Bluetooth. Find your Haylou RS4 on the list of My Devices. If it is on the list, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget Device, and then tap on Forget Device again to confirm. And once it disappears from the list of My Devices, you can close the settings, and at this point, the watch is unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.